Good afternoon, dear children. This is your science teacher. Now take out your science textbook and open page number 21. So, dear children, as you know that yesterday we have studied about the some plant fiber, that is cotton, jute, and the spinning cotton yarn, and some activity 4, in which we have studied about how can we make yarn from the cotton balls. And then today's video we are going to study about the uh, point number 3.5, that is yarn to fabric. So in yarn to fabric, that means how you can, or how we can convert the yarn into the fabrics. So there are two kinds of method in it. It includes weaving method and knitting method. Okay, so these very much important methods are including for making yarn to fabric. So to know in details about this weaving and knitting, I just want to show you some slides so that you can easily understood the actual or basic concept of weaving and knitting. So, dear children, what is mean by weaving? So, weaving is the action of producing fabric by the interlacing of wrap and a weft thread. The wrap threads are placed along the length of the fabric, and the weft threads are placed along the width of the fabric, just like this. Okay, that means here the wrap threads are placed along the length of the fabric, and the weft threads are placed along the width of the fabrics. In this type, we have done the weaving process. See, this orange thread and blue thread are going up and down through each other, so that is the process of the weaving. So these are some different types of woven fabrics. Okay, these fabrics are made by weaving, that is weaving, and different types of woven fabrics, different types of women. This is women fabrics. And again, now let's talk about the knitting. Okay, so it is the process in which fabrics are produced by the set of connected loops from a series of yarn in wrapped or a wrap direction is called as knitting. So knitted fabrics are produced by knitting technology. Different types of knitted fabrics are produced by the knitting machines. Okay, so in ancient time it would be done by the manually, but now today's the need of the knitting is very much increases, so that's why we have used the knitting machines. So now the weaving is nothing but the process in which fabrics are produced by interlacing two sets of yarn according to design is called as weaving. So weaved fabric may be in gray, striped or colored form. Different types of design fabrics are produced by the weaving technology. Okay, that means various kind of designer clothes are made by the weaving only. So what is the actual difference between the knitting and weaving? So here the knitted fabrics are produced by set of connected loops from a series of yarn, while the woven fabrics are produced by the interlacing two types of yarn. एक दूसरे के ऊपर उलझ के जो है वीविंग फैब्रिक्स बनाया जाता है, वाइल निटिंग फैब्रिक्स आर प्रोड्यूस बाय सेट ऑफ कनेक्टेड लूप्स. ठीक है, जो लूप्स है वो कनेक्टेड होते हैं एक दूसरे से. देन वन सेट ऑफ yarn इज यूज्ड in this method. Only one set of yarn is used, and here weaving two sets of yarn used. Okay, because two kinds of different threads are using here. It do not require seizing, but seizing is required before weaving. Okay, so yarn preparation is not necessary. Okay, but here the yarn preparation is very much necessary. You have to just prepare yarn while weaving. Then knitting, the production capacity of knitting is more, but while production capacity of weaving is less than knitting. Okay, so production cost of knitting is less than weaving cost, while production cost of weaving is higher than knitting clothes. Okay, we get lots of production cost while weaving. So about 52% fabrics are produced by the knitting technology in textile section, but about 48 fabrics are produced by the weaving techniques in textile section. Okay, so knitting is done by loop formation while weaving is done by shade formation. Okay, and the elastic property of knit fabrics are higher than the woven fabrics, while elastic property of the woven fabrics are less than the knitted fabric. Elastic property, that means this kind of clothes having elasticity in it. So Then dimensional stability is lower than the woven fabric, while dimensional stability is higher than the knitted fabric. So, knitting fabric which is produced by knitting is called as knit fabrics. See in this picture you have is clearly seen how the knitting is done here. Okay, and in weaving, fabrics which is produced by weaving is called as the woven fabric. So this is the weaving. See, the two yarns are interlaced with each other. So this is nothing but the weaving. So various fashionable designers used most of the weaving process in their, you can say, fabrics. So in this lesson we have studied about the knitting and weaving, and we have also studied difference between the knitting and weaving. And what is weaving? The process in which fabrics are produced by interlacing two sets of yarn according to design is called as the weaving. Okay, while the knitting is the process in which fabrics are produced by a set of connected loops from a series connected loops from a series of yarn in weft or a wrap direction is called as knitting. So knitting fabrics are produced by knitting technology, and different types of knitted fabrics are produced by the knitting machine. Okay, that means most of the knitting is done by the machineries only. So these are the different types of woven fabrics here. So as I told you that various fashion designers used these woven fabrics for making their clothes. So, dear children, I hope you understand the whole concept about the weaving and the knitting. So, the yarn to fabric, that is, there are many ways by which fabrics are made of yarn. The two main processes are weaving and knitting. That is weaving. Here they have given some activity regarding to weaving and knitting. So these two, both of the activity we have study yesterday. Okay, so we will study tomorrow. I think tomorrow there will be test on geography lesson number 2. Then I'll send this video at Monday. Okay, so till then it's goodbye from my side. Thank you and have a nice day.